Start your online banking enrollment by visiting the Google Play Store and searching for the AAFCU mobile app. Once you have located our official app, click on the Install button. When the app is finished installing, click on the Open button. You will be taken to a blue login screen. Click on the Enroll link located in the bottom blue bar of this screen. This will open a new browser window on your device. In the newly opened browser window, enter your last name, social security number, date of birth, and your requested ID into the form. Then click Continue. Congratulations! You have successfully enrolled in online banking. This is where you will see your login ID. Make sure to save this in a secure location for later use. Click on the Continue button once you are done. Next, you will be prompted to request a secure access code in order to confirm your account access. You will see a list of ways you can receive your secure access code. The secure access code will expire after 15 minutes, so you do not need to keep or memorize this code. Some of the numbers or characters will be blocked out with an X for security reasons. If you choose the phone option, you will receive an automated phone call with your secure access code. If you choose the SMS option, you will receive a text message with your secure access code sent to your mobile device. Make sure to open the text message to receive the secure access code. Your access code is not the number the message was sent from, but your code will be located inside of the text message. If you choose the email option, a secure access code will be sent to the email account that we have on file. Choose where you would like your secure access code sent. Once you have received your secure access code, enter it in the box when prompted, then click Submit. Once your access code is accepted, you will be asked to register your device. Registering your device allows you to log into your account without requesting a new secure access code each time. Android users will register the browser you are currently using rather than the official mobile app. We will show you how to register your mobile app later on in this tutorial. Click Register Device or Do Not Register Device based on your preference, and you will be taken to the next screen. Now you are ready to choose your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters, but no more than 32 characters long. It must contain a number, it must contain a lowercase character, it must contain an uppercase character, and must contain a special character. You may select any special character except the ampersand symbol, less than symbol, or greater than symbol. Once you have selected your password, your profile screen will display. Please review your personal information for accuracy. You will not be able to edit information from this screen. You may note any incorrect information and edit this once you have logged in from the Settings menu. Once you have reviewed your information, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click the Submit Profile button. At this time, you may be prompted to accept the online and mobile banking service terms and conditions. Once you have read this in full, click on the blue I Accept button located at the end of the agreement. You will now be logged into your online banking on your phone's internet browser. Now that you have created an ID and a password, you may use this information to log into the mobile app directly. To do this, click on the menu button in the top left corner of your screen. In the pop-out menu, click the Log Off button at the bottom of your screen. This will ensure that you are logged out of your session before beginning another in the mobile app. Return to the AAFCU mobile app and you will see the same blue screen that displayed after opening from the Play Store. Enter your new login ID and password. If you would like the app to save your login ID, click the checkbox next to Remember Me, or leave this unchecked if you would prefer to enter your ID each time you log in. Once you have entered all of your information, click the blue Login button. You will be prompted once again for a secure access code. Select your preferred code delivery method. When prompted, enter the new code into the box and click on Submit. Now you will be asked to register your device once more. Clicking on Register Device will register the AAFCU mobile app as a device, and you will no longer need to request a secure access code to access your accounts from the official app on your Android phone. Otherwise, choose Do Not Register Device if you would like the extra security of requesting a code to access your accounts each time you log in. You may now access your accounts at any time from any registered device. Logging into a separate, unregistered device or browser will require a new secure access code. However, your login ID and password will remain the same. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy your new online banking experience.